ये तो हो गया ठीक से, अभी इसकी बारी है। ये मैच होना चाहिए बस।
Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another makeup tutorial, and my today's tutorial is all about a bold look. So in my this video I have shared my 3 red lip looks which are my personal favorite. So if you want to know how I created this look, please continue watching. And if you're watching this and still not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so guys, let's quickly do our skincare. So I had to close water over here, and I'm just quickly going to spray it on my face as a toner. It helps for a toner. After this, I'll be taking this moisturizer by Face Shop. This is Green Natural Seed Advance, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. And then I'm going to hydrate my lips using a lip balm. Guys, in this particular makeup look, I am going to start with my base makeup first and then move towards my eye makeup. For my base, guys, I am going to mix these 2 foundations. One is the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and other one is the Illuminating foundation by LA Girl Pro. So I'm going to mix this 2 for my base. So I'm going to mix this both the foundation and going to apply. As you can see, guys, my foundation has been blended very nicely into my skin, and you can also see that glow into my skin. This is because I had mixed this Illuminating foundation by LA Pro Girl. Now this gives that dewy finish into my skin. So guys, mixing Illuminating foundation with the regular foundation can give you that dewy glowy finish, and that is what I want in today's look. Okay, so now it's time for a concealer, and I am using the LA Pro concealer as usual. So I'm using LA Pro concealer. I start. As my concealer is blended, guys, now I am going to use another concealer to highlight the highest point of my face, and for that I am going to use this Age Rewind concealer by Maybelline. As I had applied this concealer on all the highest point of my face, I am going to quickly blend this with the help of a brush before it gets dries. And with the help of a loose powder by Maybelline Fit Me, I am going to bake this wherever I had applied the concealer. Now I am going to keep this powder until then I am going to finish my contour and blush. For my contour, I am going to use this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I am going to use this transition shade as my contour. Now with the help of an angular brush, I am going to just about the highlight which we had applied earlier. Same way on the other side. And I'm going to blend this in upward motion. best part about the powder contour is it is easy to blend, unlike the cream contour. So yes guys, as we have finished contouring our face, it's time to just remove the excess powder and just spread all over your face. Now as our base is completed, now it's time to add some color on our cheeks, and for that I'm going to use a blush. For my blush, I'm going to use a pink tinted lipstick on my cheeks. Applying it in open motion. Now my entire base makeup is completed. Now it's time for eyes and lips. So guys, when it comes to a red lip look, my main focus is on eyes and lips. So I choose to do my base makeup first and then go with my eyes. By doing this, I get the idea on what type of eye color should I choose for my eyeshadow and what kind of eyebrow shape should I prefer when it comes to a red lip look. So now I'm quickly brushing my eyebrows with the help of a spoolie. I'm planning to do a elongated eye shape. Okay guys, so I'm done with my eyebrows. Now I'm going to define this with the help of a concealer, and for that I'm going to use this LA Girl Concealer. Okay, so I had now defined my eyebrows, and now with the help of a concealer I'm going to just prime my lids for my eyeshadow base. To avoid any creases on my lid area, I am going to set this with the help of a loose powder, that is again my Maybelline Fit Me. For my crease guys, I am going to use this Rose in the Air palette and take this transition shade for my crease. I'm also applying just below my eyebrows, near the head of my eyebrows. Now guys, I like to keep my eyeshadow look very neutral when it comes to a red lip look. So I am going to use a light brown shade on my transition area. So for that I am using a Makeup Revolution palette, and for that I am using this medium brown shade as my transition. I am going to apply this only on the outer corner and create a V on the outer corner. And then as usual on the waterline of my eye. Now I want to keep my eye makeup very matte, so I'm not going to use any shimmery shade on my lid. So for that I'm going to use an off-white color on my lid area. Guys, I'm going to use this shade on my lid area as it is not shimmery, and also this will be perfect for the look which I'm going to create. And then I'm going to blend all this very evenly. to avoid any harsh lines. So guys, with this my neutral eye makeup is done. It's pretty neutral and very simple, which goes really well with our red lip. So it's time to apply mascara. So yes guys, I'm done with my mascara and now it's time to apply lipstick, and for that I'm going to use this MAC lipstick and apply it on my lips. So yes guys, with this I had completed my first look. I had not applied any liner, I had just applied a coat of mascara and a bright red lipstick and a neutrals of eyeshadow. So this is one of my favorite red lip look. I just love the way it looks, and also I love the way my eyeshadow looks very natural and very subtle with this bold red lip look. So guys, now let's move towards our second look, that is the liner look. So let's get into that. I'm pretty nervous to do my liner, but let's see how it goes. I'm using the Lakme Insta liner, so yes, I'm going to do this with this liner. I'm going to look straight and then fill in my liner. I have that semi-hooded eyes, so I think it will go graphical, so let's see. I had did pretty well. ये तो हो गया ठीक से, अभी इसकी बारी है, ये मैच होना चाहिए बस. So yes guys, I think I did pretty well with my liner. I think both of them sort of matches to each other. So yes guys, this is what my second look like. I had not changed my eyeshadow color. I had just applied liner on the top of the previous eyeshadow which we did. So it complements very well with this look also. As we're done with our second look, now it's time for our third look, and that is the foxy eye look. So it's very simple. I'm going to just do liner thing in my inner. Again the same liner and just filling my inner corner. My inner corner is done. Now I'm just going to fill this part. So yes guys, I finally completed my third look. I had created a foxy eyes and yes, just elongated my inner corner with the help of a liner, and yes, my eyeshadow is still same. So guys, this is more kind of dramatic look which we can carry on parties, and it will really look great. So yes guys, these are my three favorite red lip look which I carry, and I keep my eyeshadow constant and just play with the liner. So this is how it looks. I hope you will like this video.
So guys, these are my three most favorite red lip looks which I carry. I just switch between the eye look according to the occasions. I hope you guys enjoyed my video like I do, and if you did, please don't forget to click that thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. And also do let me know your favorite look among all the three in the comment section. I love you guys so much. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, bye.